Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how to change app icon on Samsung Galaxy phone. Alright guys, first of all, we can go to our settings application, and here we have to scroll down until we find the themes option. Click on this themes option, and here we have to select icon since we want to change icons on our Samsung Galaxy phone. And here, as you can see, that we have to pay if we want to use the icons, but don't worry because we can still use the free icon. You can click on the top option and we can filter it. I'm going to select free, and these are the free icons that we can use for our Samsung Galaxy phone. And you can select the icon that you want to apply to your phone. And for example, I'm gonna go with this one. Click on the icon, and we have to download it first. If you want to use it, click on the download button, and you have to wait until the file has been downloaded, and we can click on apply after it's downloaded. Okay, and you just need to wait for a moment until the process completed. And as you can see that now my app's icon has been changed, and this is how it looks. And I guess that's how we can change app icon on Samsung Galaxy phone. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you on the next video.